Hey everyone, the Acer Iconia Tab P11 is a cutting-edge, multi-purpose tablet made for daily usage. This product, which is made by a respectable manufacturer, blends quality and functionality. Unlike plastic models, its aluminum alloy body improves durability and appearance. It weighs 550 grams and is only 8.1 millimeters thick, making it manageable and lightweight. The 8-core MT8781 processor powers the tablet. It has 6 Cortex A55 cores running at 2.0 GHz for everyday use, and 2 ARM Cortex A76 cores that can reach 2.2 GHz. Standard programs will run well thanks to its architecture. Iconia Tab P11's 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM allows it to multitask effectively. It is ideal for people with large media collections because it has a built-in capacity of 128 or 256 gigs that can be expanded to 512 gigs with a microSD card. An 11-inch IPS panel with quantum dot technology serves as the display. Screen provides brilliant, natural colors and clarity with a resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels, 400 nits of brightness, coverage of more than 100% of NTSC color spectrum. 16:10 aspect ratio of the display improves text editing and video viewing. Its contemporary design is somewhat diminished, nevertheless, by rather large bezels. With 5-megapixel front-facing camera and 13-megapixel rear camera, Acer Iconia Tab P11 has dual camera configuration that works well for video conferences. It also has 2 built-in microphones for clear communication and 4 stereo speakers for immersive sound. One noteworthy addition that serves users of wired headphones is an audio jack. The tablet, which runs Android 14, has a user-friendly UI. Despite not having a SIM card slot, it comes with conventional connectivity features like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. With its 13-hour movie playback time and USB power delivery 2.0 rapid charging capabilities, 8,000 mAh battery ensures both prolonged use and speedy recharge. For activities like text editing, web browsing, streaming videos, light gaming, Acer Iconia Tab P11 is perfect. It excels at providing solid and reasonably priced solution for daily needs, even though its processor might not be able to handle demanding graphic applications or high-end gaming. Although customers will need to buy screen protectors separately, addition of protective book-style cover adds value. All things considered, the Acer Iconia Tab P11 is notable for its bright and crisp display, sturdy construction, extended battery life, and superb sound output. It's a sensible option for parents, students, or anybody else looking for a reasonably priced, dependable tablet for everyday use. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.